Go.
Okay. Hello. Today we are going to make a pinwheel, and it's going to remind us of the spinning sun miracle from the story of Fatima when the three shepherd children saw the Blessed Mother Mary. Okay, so in your packet today you should have a double-sided sheet that looks like this, a pencil, and a push pin. What I want you to do is I want you to first color your pinwheel, the sheet, okay, and color both sides. I colored mine because since we're looking at the sun in the sky, I colored mine orange and yellow, and then I also colored orange and yellow on the rays, and then the background I colored blue, okay? Then you're going to cut out the square, okay, so cut out along the line and then cut the sun out. And then if you notice on the square, starting at the corners to not quite the middle, are 4 lines, and I want you to cut along those lines. Try not to go too much past the line because you don't want to cut it apart. You just want to make it where it just kind of wobbles a little bit like this, okay? When you've got that done, there's a dot in the middle of your sun. You're going to take your push pin and you're going to stick it through that dot, okay? And you might need some help with either your mom or your dad or an older sibling, but we're gonna have to kind of bend this a little bit, and it kind of gets a little bit tricky if you have smaller hands, so you may need to get some help. All right, so you're gonna take your square like this, and you're not gonna push the sun through it, you're just going to hold it above, but you're gonna bend, see the rays on the other side? You're gonna bend those rays in so that they actually show up on the same side, and you're gonna push the push pin through it, see? So I've got the sun on one corner, and I'm gonna do that for each ray, and you should have 4 rays. Let's see if I can do this. Trying to hold everything, gets those hands. You might need some extra hands. All right, so we've got all of our rays pushed through with the sun in the center. Last thing you have to do is you've got to stick the pin through the back of the square. So now ooh, ouch, that hurt. Don't poke yourself with it. So now we've got the pin coming all the way through, okay? You're going to take your pencil and you're going to stick the pin through the eraser, okay? And there's your pinwheel. And when it spins, you're going to see the sun turning in its entirety.